Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Yoast SEO sitemap links from WordPress, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Yoast SEO sitemap links from WordPress, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu. Locate and click on the SEO option, which is usually found near the bottom of the menu. In the drop-down menu, select General. Now, look for the Features tab at the top of the page and click on it. Find the option labeled XML Sitemaps and ensure it is enabled. If the option is enabled, you'll see a question mark icon next to it. Click on this icon for more details. A pop-up will appear, and you'll see a link labeled See the XML Sitemap. Click this link to open the sitemap in a new tab. Now that the XML sitemap is open, take note of the URL in the address bar. Copy this URL to your clipboard by highlighting it and pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Next, open a new browser tab, and paste the copied URL into the address bar by pressing Ctrl+V or Command+V. Press Enter to load the sitemap again. To download the sitemap links, you will need to save the page as an HTML file. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Save As from the context menu. Choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save the file. Make sure the file type is set to Web Page, Complete to save all elements of the page. Click the Save button. Now, navigate to the location where you saved the file. Open the folder, and you will find an HTML file along with a separate folder containing images and other resources. To extract the links from the sitemap, open the HTML file using a web browser. Highlight the links you want to download, right-click, and select Copy. You have now successfully downloaded the Yoast SEO sitemap links from your WordPress site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.